Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I'm NailPerfectionbyVari. Today I will be unboxing my first ever KiaraSky product. It's so pretty and pink. My favorite color is pink, so I'm excited to try out this product. So I ordered this product during one of their promotional periods. I had got the jelly tips bundle. It comes with the buffers, the file, the kit lamp, and they also had us able to pick out other products besides that. So I picked out this beautiful blue glitter. They call it Ocean Breeze. And I also picked out a pink polish because I love pink so much. And this one is fun and flirty. I just love pink. And the next product that they also gave was their brand new nail oils. The nail oil I got was their purple one, lavender, and it smells fantastic. Like, I smelled it and it smells so good. Just wait a second while I look for my scissors. Like, I have everything, and everything is kind of organized and disorganized at the same time. It's so frustrating when everything is organized but disorganized. This is their Beyond Pro mini nail lamp. I was so excited when I got it. Like, I was like, whoa, I can't believe I actually bought this. It comes with a warranty card and their instructions. So it's been a couple of months since I ordered this product. I was supposed to film this video when I got it, but I didn't. So I can no longer put in for the warranty. I meant to go online and put in their warranty. You have 30 days from the time you bought it to put in their warranty. But again, I didn't automatically open the box. It comes with the charger, the mini lamp. It's cute and small to bring everywhere. That was me showing you it from different angles, and it also comes with the charging wire. So I'm plugging it up to see like how it works, because when you press the button it doesn't just automatically turn on like I thought it would. Like some UV lamps you can use, some small UV lamps you can use batteries, and some I believe you have to just charge it. So what I did was I plugged it in and I waited. To see if it would charge, but later on I figure out that it has to stay plugged in for it to work. ordered the Coffin medium jelly tips. I don't know why I did that, because I like short nails, but I always go for a longer nail. Maybe because I like clipping them down to a size that suits me. But the first one I take out is step 1, the prep. And the next one is primer, then the builder, and then the top coat. And lastly, watch as I struggle to get the jelly tips box out of the packaging. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Tell me what more you'd like to see. Like, subscribe. Bye, gorgeous.